So this is the new Cleaverhawk. It actually was it's probably been 7 years in development. We made just a few hand forged years ago just to see what it was like, and it worked awesome. Like, it is an awesome butcher's cleaver, but the method that we had to make it, you just couldn't make more than a couple, and they were prohibitively expensive. So it took all this time to figure out, and it really came from us making Tomahawks, figuring out that we could actually take S7 steel and cast it, and it was as strong or stronger than forging. So that's what allowed to get this shape that otherwise trying to forge is just a nightmare. So what really, this looks like some sort of Viking weapon, but it really is made to be a butcher's tool, and I think it works better than a conventional meat cleaver. Some of the qualities of it that are really useful are, one, it's constructed like a tomahawk, so the head is not attached. It's just tapered, and it taper fits up there, but this allows for great cleaning, really easy to clean it. The long handle just allows you can choke up and just have a normal cleaver length, or really long handle to really put the mustard to it. And really, I think the most important feature is this flat pole on the back, which allows you to use a mallet to drive it through bones and hard things. You know, if you were a butcher who butchered every day, you have the hand skill to be precise with just chopping, but if it's not something you do every day, you're not going to be accurate and you're going to ruin the meat. So with this, you can put it right on the spot you want. This is a 3-pound dead blow mallet, and you can drive it through any bone, and the S7 steel will not break. So I really made this to be a butcher's cleaver, and so it is, here in Jackson Hole, a huge majority of people hunt wild game and process it themselves, so it's perfect for that. If you want to be an amateur home butcher, I have pigs and goats and even cattle that I butcher at home. It's great for that. If you're not really fully butchering, it's also a great thing for just kind of quickly processing, say, like pork shoulder. Like our rugby team, we have a tournament in the summer and we have like 100 pounds of pork shoulder. So this thing, you can just kind of chop everything up super fast. I use it to chop up a whole chicken. Sometimes I like to break the breast down into 3 parts, and it's easy to just go boom, boom, boom. Also, it is fun to throw. It does throw like a tomahawk. So if the zombies attack or just throwing at a tree stump, it's also super fun. When you're using the cleaver with the mallet, you want to cut what's under where you're going to hammer. So you don't want to put it here and hammer. It doesn't work. You're going to put it right under there and then drive it home. You ready?